What's up, everybody? David Gonzalez, one part of DNA Essentials and founder of Weird Fish Media, and this is my family. Okay, so as you can tell, I make videos and I edit them, and I think they're pretty cool, and I'm pretty proud of what I do. But the other half of what I do is I am one part, my wife is the other part of DNA Essentials, and we are a health and wellness company who happens to advocate for doTERRA essential oils, which is also, it's awesome. We love it. We love that company, and we love empowering people to just take back their health, take control of their wellness. Like, it's their wellness, it's your wellness. You should be the first line of defense before you go to the doctors. Before you do anything, you should, be eating right, managing your stress, sleeping better, hydrating, drinking high quality water, exercising. Those things are so key before you even get into, doctors and essential oils and all that other stuff. Like, do those things well, and you'll flourish. So we just like to give people hope. I mean, essentially we give people hope, because when you're suffering from chronic, illnesses or pain or something, and you've tried everything, you just want something to latch onto. You want some hope. So essentially that's what we do. Now it's just a matter of maintaining it and keeping the momentum going, which I hope to do, and connecting with you guys and networking with you guys and seeing how I could serve you guys and add value to what you're doing in whatever capacity, even if it's just listening or friendships. So thank you guys. First and foremost, thank you guys for your support, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you guys and hanging. Adios.